and we're here at the USB IF booth. Hi.
Hi.
Please introduce yourself.
Okay. Hi, my name is Jeff Ravencraft. I'm the President and Chief Operating Officer of the USB Implementers Forum, or what we call the USB IF.
And the new iPhone has Type-C now.
So this is the new iPhone 15, and it has the new USB Type-C connector on it. And obviously, the background behind that was the European Union is requiring charging portable devices over USB Type-C and USB power delivery starting in 2025. And so that basically forced Apple into changing the connector.
And most of the consumers love this move. Most of the consumers are very happy with this.
I would think so.
Some people need to buy a few more chargers now, but or change some of their old ones. But
yeah, I mean, you have the old product. I think when you get a new iPhone, then the amount of peripherals, it's an open market, right? For Type-C chargers, cables, so.
And I saw people use this to output video. So it outputs video, but they don't have like a special mode or something right now, right? It's just mirroring the screen, as far as I've saw. But that's up to them what they do, right? But what do you show here at the booth?
So, number one, we're just powering this laptop from a charger over Type-C. These are all Type-C connections, except for HDMI out here. So this is a Google Pixel phone, Type-C, and we're using the camera here over Type-C into the notebook, displaying the photo here on the tablet.
All right. And you're outputting with HDMI, and then you're just...
Right, and then on the video, we're HDMI out into a USB video capture device, Type-C into the tablet.
And on here, I see a little logo.
Yes. So now, for all certified USB Type-C cables, it is required that the cables show both the performance and the power capability on the cable.
And here's some examples.
Yes. So this is our new branding.
Yeah.
We have our charger logos. This would be on the packaging. 240 watts at the high end, 60 watts on the low end. And then this would actually be on the cable, which you just took a photo of. And there's only two types of power cables now for certified cables. It's either a 60 watt cable. If it's above that, then it has to be a 240 watt cable. And again, the cable has to show the performance and the power capability.
Nice. So it simplifies a little bit?
Yes.
And it makes it clear to the consumer
Yes,
what they have.
Exactly what they're getting. And then for performance, right? Again, at the high end, we have 80 gigabit per second. This is the packaging logos, and then the port logos that would actually be on a port, on a product, on a laptop, on a hard drive. And so that's all brand new as well.
Nice. Are there many 80 gigabit per second products on the market, or it's just starting?
They're just starting.
So it's going to be fun to transfer stuff even faster?
Yeah, and the other thing about this is there's a feature for the OEM. If they have a product that drives high-end displays, they can actually take one of the receive wires and turn it and combine it with the other two transmit wires, and they can send 120 gigabit per second data rate to the display for very high-end displays. Wow. So at the high end, we can actually deliver 120 gigabit per second data rate.
Nice. And when we talk about video output, how do you categorize it? It's all a question of speed, or?
Well, I think video is certainly one of the technologies that will use all the data rate you can give it, right? And so, yeah, I think as we go up in performance, it's just going to make USB Type-C performance capabilities show up in bigger displays, right?
Because I would expect in 2024, there's an update to iOS, and suddenly when you output it to a lap dock, it becomes a MacBook.
Yeah.
It's just up to them if they want to do it or not.
Yes. Well, yeah, that's a question for Apple.
And all these other companies that do Type-C video outputs and data and what they want to do with it.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Cool. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Did that come out okay, you think?